Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 21. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Fushiyu and Gu singing. The three of them still on the restaurant. It really feels awkward. Everyone seems to be silent, serious about eating. Fushio thinks it's crazy. Absolutely cannot let Senior get alone with her. Now, she was hissing. We have to find a way to get her away. Fushio said to herself. Now, she was looking at hers. Well, definitely, Fushio. She will think a way just to solve this case. I understand the logic. But Xiaoyu and Shalan got to know each other too quickly. Singing said to hers. Well, definitely she knows the commotions that happening. After a few moments, the lady said, hello, the total. So right now, you're going to pay the bill. Well, since Fushiyu, she's the one who's inviting them. And now, she's the one who's going to pay. Let me do it. I'm the one who's disturbed you, so I should be the one to treat. Shalan, she wants to pay the bill, but Fushiyu also wants. Now, it really makes sense. Who's singing? She stood up and paid the bill. Well, everything seems settled. Shalan and Fushiyu suddenly surprised that Gu Singing is the one who's paid the bill. Well, definitely, it's like a competition for Fushiyu and Shalan. Now, Gu Singing knows about this. That's why she wants to pay the bill. Gu Singing said, I'll invite you. So it turns out she's the winner on these things. I'm going to rehearse first. Call me if you need anything. Now, Gu Singing said to Fushiyu. She let her sit on the side so she can able to see the practice. Gu Singing, she was really dedicated on her work. But now, looking at Fushiyu, she moved closer and kissed her gently and said to her, okay, go ahead. Oh, she is really blushing. Now, looking at Gu Singing, when she looked back, of course, she didn't expect that Fushiyu is gonna kiss her. That's why she is blushing. Her face is really turning red. Well, definitely, this is really getting exciting. The relationship is really getting better. But the Shalan's girl, she continued to tease her. And also right now, she is holding Gu Singing. Now, it really makes sense to Fushiyu. Of course, she is really getting jealous. On her mind, it's so many rehearsal rooms. Why do you have to crowd with us? Now, she's been like a soybean oil that she really got jealous. She noted to herself that Shalan, she is really a good dancer, also a popular one, especially on the crowds. Right now, looking at hers, she really danced well. Well, for Shiyu, she might be really getting jealous that she is really closer to Gu Singing. Wow, even the water slips can be stuck on the shot. So it turns out, it seems that she looks like she is going to be a fan of hers. But of course, it's not gonna happen. Shalan, she looks really serious on her performance, and it seems that she really danced well. Although she's already a professional dancer, of course, she can be tricky like this, just to get Gu Singing to stay away from Fushiyu. Now, Shirley want to caught her attention and said, Director Gu, what do you think? Now, she want to be praised by Gu Singing. Well, definitely Gu Singing said to her, the water sleeve card is very accurate, the movement is clean and smooth, and the connection is smooth. So it turns out the phrase is well, and now Gu Singing. However, the expression control can be strengthened a little bit more and I restrain a little. Now, finally, Shirley said a good thing, but of course, she only want to tell a honest opinion. This dance tells the story of Shen's wedding day. Expression is a little too much. You will play. During high-intensity dance movements, the body muscles and nerves are highly excited. It's really hard to control the expression. Shalan wanted to defend herself. I remember when we were partnered. Shalan moved closer to her. Now she was holding Gu Singing again. Of course, Pushiyu, she will be jealous about this. Now Gu Singing said, strong muscle control. Gu Singing, she was looking at the two of them. This Shalan girl, she was really happily laughing out hard. Now, when she looked back, Shalan and Gu Singing, well, definitely she know how to tease her back. Also, how to annoy her. Well, definitely, it was really annoying. If I were me, who danced this dance? Stuck in the dark. Well, definitely, it was her friend. What are you thinking? Now, her friend said to her, are you jealous? Well, of course, she is really. Fushiyu, you guess. Oh, she looks really annoyed. Well, definitely. Oh, she really hates Shalan girl. And it really makes sense to her. She need to focus on something. But, right now, since they're going back, Shalan is following them again. Looking at Fushiyu and Gu singing, they be seen by Shalan again. Now it makes sense, Shalan, what is she going to do? She is really willing to pursue Gu singing. There's a hindrance called Fushiyu. Well, say it, Shalan said to her. Turns out Linda and Shalan knows each other. Linda said, say what? So it turns out, why didn't you tell me that Gu singing and Fushiyu were mixed together again? So it turns out she want Landa to spy on them. Don't be too outrageous, I done everything I should do. If you care about the world, you can still control the people, reunite with a broken mirror. Linda said to Shalan. You promised me that you said you would ask me to be a chief, but it never happens. So it turns out the two of them are only. But Linda's talented girl, even if I can take care of the relationship, you have to live up to your own expectation, right? Professional level has improved so slowly, and what can I do? Well, she was right, Linda. She didn't improve on herself, that's why she's been stuck as a dancer. I warn you, don't be too arrogant. You know what you did. Be careful with me, Linda said to Shalan. Shalan said, tell me, can you do? Don't you forget that you're also compliance. So now, it really went well. They really know each other. Well, maybe these two are the reason why Gu singing has been took out of the dance troupe before. So they really planned her before. It seems that this too is really troublesome for Gu singing and Fushiyu. Shalan said to her, I advise you to be cautious. So the two of them still getting a compliance on breaking up Fushiyu and Gu singing together. It's the best not to let the people know that the two of us know each other. Shalan said to Linda, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Nami, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!